Hey, it's me, Eric Anderson. Just wearing my mask because it's the middle of the pandemic and I don't want to give anything to anybody and I don't want to get anything from anybody else. At least anybody else who I don't want to get anything from. But anyways, but I'm in my own backyard, so I'm gonna take it off. And this is my 14th video. Just for my references, the date is January 28th, 2021. There's a hummingbird trying to attack me right now, believe it or not. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's about 9:26 in the morning, and I just started my new YouTube channel. I had a bunch of videos before. Like I said, I think this is my 14th video. And this one today is about essentially dehydrating food. And just to show you right off, I'm going to step outside or stand back and check out what I'm talking about so you'll know. Okay, but anyways, that's what I wanted to show you. My shed. And just wanted to tell you that or give you a newer idea that I've never heard anybody do before when they usually dehydrate food. Well, first of all, let me go through the steps. Usually when you dehydrate beef or buffalo, whatever you're dehydrating, usually cut it in about 1/4 inch slices, and then you marinate it for, I do mine for like a day. I add all kinds of different stuff, whatever taste you like. And then you can either smoke it or beforehand, or add smoky seasoning and stuff like that. But anyways, it takes quite a bit of time to dehydrate normally, because I've always used it inside the house like everyone else. But I came up with this idea, instead of smoking it in your house, like I'm in Arizona, so it's naturally hot out. So kind of started thinking, and I'm like, well, you know what? Why not use the already hot air to dehydrate it quicker? So it's a woodpecker. So anyways, came up with the idea to put it out somewhere where it's already hot. And I mean, right out the bat, you want to watch out for like leaking chemicals and stuff like that. But one of the places is your garage. You bring your car in or whatever, and it naturally heats up the garage. Especially in Arizona, it's already hot in there anyways. But then you should be able to cut down the time on your dehydrating because of the heat that's already in the garage or your shed. But make sure that you don't have a bunch of dust and stuff flying around, because this has a couple vent holes and stuff like that. And I don't think it'll suck dirt in, but you never know, the wind starts picking up or whatever, and you don't want dirt on your food. So just try to get it as clean as you can, and make sure there's no chemicals or anything leaking. You might have a problem with bugs and stuff, but I don't think you will, because it doesn't really stay out that long, and the bugs can't really get into the dehydrator. So I'm not gonna advertise any particular dehydrator yet, because I want to include that in my videos later on. And if I'm not getting paid to advertise their products, why should I? Sorry about the jet noise. I don't know if you can see that, but there's an F-16 flying. So I live out by an Air Force base, so Hopefully you can still hear me. It's the sound of freedom. So anyways, yeah, you can either put it in the shed and let it dehydrate, or you can put it in the garage and let it dehydrate. Yikes. So anyways, usually takes, oh God, I want to say at least 3 or 4 hours, at least. But it, you just cut them in like I said, 1/4 inch strips, and then you let them marinate for a day or so, whatever your preference is. Put pepper on them or whatever. They're awesome usually. So anyways, with the rest of this time, I just wanted to share with you that my name is Eric Anderson, and I just started my YouTube channel, like I said, and this is my 14th video, and I like to talk about anything or show anything about from like dehydrating to car and truck manufacturing design shortcomings, how to counteract the effects of using a high octane gas, that's essentially a drying agent and stuff like that. Wear on your vehicle, stuff like that. I like to torture test camping equipment. My videos have before are about like composting and like I said, manufacturing shortcomings, stuff like that. From trying to prolong the life of failing hard drives. The heck else? Using like a one powered antenna to power your whole house and get a signal to every room using just one powered antenna. I gotta move. My legs are falling asleep. So anyways, yeah, that kind of stuff. There's other things like how to use cinder blocks, regular cinder blocks, to use as a walkway with a drainage system built in. How to designs of speaker boxes for a particular vehicle as it is right now, without compromising comfort in most cases anyways. And I'll show some of these items, and it's not to brag or anything like that. It's to show you that I really have made these items and stuff like that I do know what I'm talking when it comes to most things. To like videos hopefully coming up where I'm going to show you how to put a timing chain or replace a timing chain in like a Toyota Tacoma, a 2000 model. So I think you'll like that. It's a long process though. That's why I can't, as it is right now, show it in a video. I'd probably bore people to death, but to all you car lovers, it's coming. Just look at my channel. My name's Eric Anderson. So to like oh, I forgot, some videos I like to repurpose items, so or if I don't like them, then I remake them. And so anyways, yeah, like I said, my name's Eric Anderson. Check out my other videos. It goes from one side of the spectrum to the other. And if you will, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment or an idea, whatever. Hummingbird's still trying to attack me. That'd be cool if you guys could hear that. So anyways, Lost my train of thought because of that little dude. Yeah, but anyways, here we go. Check it out. Like I said, subscribe. I value your opinions. Leave a comment. Whether it's negative or positive, try to keep it positive, because I want, you know, I don't necessarily make this channel for kids or anything like that, but I want to make it viewer friendly for everybody, you know, just like my channel is set up to where there's a little bit of something for anybody to get entertained by, or a how to. So anyways, oh, and I've started a Patreon account, so, you know, please, if you can, donate to it or whatever, and I'm going to keep building my channel up, build my equipment up, and hopefully, you know, sky's the limit. So, you know, going to keep coming up with bigger and better things regardless. So, support me. My name's Eric Anderson, E-R-I-K A-N-D-E-R-S-O-N. Look for my ugly face in a circle or whatever, and that's me. All right, see you soon. Let's fire this thing up. Later.